Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, I want to talk about the tokenization of assets. We are headed to the token economy. We've of course touched on it on this channel quite a bit. I've interviewed different folks who are building tokenized securities on different blockchains. For example, I spoke to Sologenic recently, the CTO at Coinfield, where they're building tokenized assets on the XRP ledger, and essentially it's going to be stocks and ETFs. We see that the Coinfield CEO confirmed this, and they're dealing with like around 31 global exchanges. And I've also interviewed the co-founder of Securitize, which his name is Jamie Finn, and they're building on the Ethereum blockchain, issuing different security token offerings. And we've seen, as of recently, a lot of different folks are tokenizing different things. So NBA player for the Brooklyn Nets, Spencer Dinwiddie, is tokenizing his NBA contract. We're seeing the tokenization of Treasury bonds. We're seeing the tokenization of real estate, guys. One such I know here in New York, where I'm based, in Manhattan, they tokenize a luxury building, which was very interesting. So tokenization of different assets is going to take place and is on the rise, and crypto is leading the charge, guys. And here we have an article talking about specifically for Europe, that market size could reach $1.5 trillion in 2024. So of course, if you put in the other markets like the US and different countries, it's going to be in the trillions and could get near the quadrillions, because we're talking about many different assets, not one specific type, right? And that's the token economy we're headed to, and crypto is leading the charge, guys, because of the blockchain, because of the inception of blockchain. We are able to transact with each other in a much more transparent and global standpoint, right? Everything is on the blockchain. So the world of tokenized assets is gaining more and more traction. As the market size for tokenized assets rises, the playing field is no longer left to startups alone. A significant number of players from the traditional world are entering the market. In the course of the first BaFin licensing for crypto custodians later this year, the market for tokenized assets will gain further momentum in Europe and especially Germany. Substantial money inflows from financial institutions are expected as Bitcoin and Co. become legitimate assets. However, what does this mean in real numbers? We ran a simulation to determine the potential market size of a European tokenized assets market. So here they show cryptocurrencies and then security tokens themselves actually outpacing crypto eventually. And I'm in agreement with this. You're going to have your respective cryptocurrencies, your Bitcoin, your respective digital assets like XRP and so forth. But then if you're tokenizing stocks, real estate, different bonds and ETFs and financial instruments and people's contracts and things like that, you're going to see the massive growth in security tokens, guys, and crypto is leading us there, which is exciting. And like I said, the building's already started. We are seeing different companies, and you should certainly check out my interviews that these folks are already trying to get ahead of the curve here, and everything's going to get tokenized. Any type of asset, anything that has value to it, which is very, very interesting. So key assumptions. For this paper, we analyzed the research conducted by third parties and combine it with assumptions. To calculate the market size for tokenized assets in the European Union, the underlying key assumptions are market share of cryptocurrencies in the European Union, growth of market size for cryptocurrencies, GDP tokenized in the European Union. So I'm not going to go too further because I don't want to take too much of your time, but we are already seeing the numbers are being crunched here. We're already seeing the building taking place with companies like I mentioned, Securitize, and Sologenic and many others. And big things are ahead, and crypto is really leading the charge here for the token economy. And that's why part of it's going to be so big for crypto, because you're going to have interoperability between the security tokens and the cryptos themselves. And guys, get ready. Cryptos and tokenized securities will be listed on stock exchanges. It's just a matter of time. We've seen the big players are getting in. I mean, you have the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange launching back, right? You see all the breadcrumbs, right? That's leading up to this. And it's going to be pretty amazing because the market will essentially be 24/7. Crypto does not shut off like stock markets, and people from around the globe, guys, there's no more borders, so to speak, digital borders, or however you want to call it, where okay, I can't invest on something on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and likewise people in Hong Kong can't invest on something on the New York Stock Exchange. If you have the tokenized versions up, in any type of exchange, you can buy it 24/7. No borders, unless it's like some lock and key shutdown. Let's say China says, well, no trading of this or whatever, right? But for the most part, anybody can access this. And, on that note that crypto is the new asset class and here to stay, Bitpanda CEO Eric Dumoth says Bitcoin is gold 2.0 for millennials. And I think we see that we're headed in that direction, right? Bitcoin is a store of value, still needs a lot of upgrade to improve its utility, but it's not going to be the only winner. There's going to be other winners, Ethereum, XRP, and a lot of others, VeChain, and so forth. Now, I found this interesting, guys. I am not a fan of Dogecoin. I don't hold it in my portfolio, but someone just minted a Doge-themed crypto token worth $129,000. So let me give you the details. A Doge-themed non-fungible token, NFT, now appears to comprise the most valuable ERC 1155 in existence. So some sort of ERC 1155 token. The NFT is backed by over 1,155,777.1 Enjin. I'm not sure what that is. Worth approximately $129,000 at the time of writing. So I'm not sure what the point of all this is. The NFT, It's Good to Be King, was minted on March 1st and pays homage to the meme-inspired Doge cryptocurrency depicting well-known Shiba Inu domed with a regal crown and staff. Yeah, I don't know what the point of this is, guys, but it's interesting that this is taking place. And Enjin coin, I don't know what the hell this is. I apologize, guys, but I don't care for this. Let me see here. NFTs target the gaming industry. Okay, so maybe there is some utility here, and I'll have to research more, but on its face, I'm like, wait a minute. I don't know. But let's see how it plays out, guys. Just want to make sure you guys saw that. It's interesting. But I think the big takeaway here, guys, token economy, tokenization of assets, and crypto is leading that new this charge of this tokenization via the blockchain. So exciting times ahead, and a lot of money is going to come in. Like I said, cryptos and tokenized securities will be listed on stock exchanges. Book it. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this video if you found it helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later.